Hello friends, welcome back to our channel The Borkas. I am Sanvi Sachin. Today I am going to show you how to make Jowar Roti. It's a North Karnataka special cuisine and it's gluten-free roti and very good to health. First we need to take 1 katori of Jowar atta. Then we have to sieve the flour because it contains husk or garbages. Then we have to boil 1 glass of water. Now make a small hole in the center of the prepared dough. We have to add hot boiling water in the hole. Now mix the flour and boiling water with the help of a spoon. Now we have to knead the dough well by hand. We have to do this very slowly and then it will be very good. We have to sprinkle cold water little by little to make the dough soft. Now if you see, the flour is well prepared. Now the prepared dough should be pressed well again and made soft. Now keep some water in a vessel and dip a small cotton cloth in it and then keep some dry Jowar atta flour also. Now make a small ball out of the dough. We have to keep an iron pan hot on the gas as we use it to roll the dough. Now slowly start patting the roti. Patting using both hands will give roti a round shape. Now the thin and round roti is ready to be heated. Now put the roti on the pan. We need to cover the portion on the roti with a wet cloth. After waiting for a while, we have to turn the roti. Now a nice fluffy roti is prepared and ready to serve. Now all the soft Jowar rotis are ready to eat. We should keep these rotis on a cotton cloth so that it stays soft for a long time. Now I will show you how to serve the roti or North Karnataka style Jowar Roti thali look like. First two rotis, then add butter on the top. Then we have to serve peanut chutney. It's homemade. And we have to serve again putani chutney or roasted gram chutney. Then curd. Then again sweet and savory pickle. And they also serve onion and green chilli in the thali. Now that the tasty and delicious Jowar Roti thali is ready, if you like our video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.